There's more to life more than this shitting cussing, you know. Every day people get up on this up come.
What's money gone?
Bombard guys, you not making you hit me, man. You fucker get the money going in at last.
Oh God, you shocked me, you know.
I should give up and make you see no bun you.
Jesus Christ, let me get rid of it now. You saved me. Thank you, blessed.
You bugger you.
You're a really blessed soul. Thank you.
You give me dear for you. Remember, I said, me I tell for you, you know, me treat you good. You not give me no dear.
I am me, I will give you dear.
I mean, but you never get 1,000 points. How comes you gonna give me one dear?
Next match. Yeah, what's going on? Big shoot over here now. I'm more in now.
Oh, somebody said, Annie Sheer. Cussing you. I true Annie, but no play or no mind. But people say I true, people say I not true. Guys, me just not busy.
I say over here, say, tell her, go find. Oh, you see you get a black.
It's not lie, I true. Alright, somebody, one lady here, so another lady now go tell me now that it's not a lie. She was cussing, but she since she played the match. She know what she do. She know everything what she do. Okay. She want to cuss me, she cuss me. She can't bring me down. If people are bring me down, she can't bring me down too. If all different type of people are bring me down, all different type of, you know. So she can do her bring down too. What me answer her for? No answer him. Look at me. So for once you know go see that in me. No answer.
Scream recorder over here, scream recorder over here. Say them scream recorder and post it up. So him over here must have scream recorder over here too.
But we not do no type of bring down. She can't cuss me as she want. I mean no say this a come off of jealousy. No, me not do nothing, queen. And stop these people don't like. Me know, me see it, man. But me not, me tell you, say I jealousy them just don't me not.
Me not scream recorder.
Me tell you, say I jealousy though. Me no business. I truth. I jealousy it a come off a big jealousy. Them tell me a jealousy and bad man business.
So what you wanna post it? You no love mix up here, you know. That's why I don't want Annie go over there. Because I want to scream recorder.
But when me go over there go do LD now, you call me and the look up it near cuss man. Years me and I depend on the happiest circus in LD.
I'm going to live loving.
You see me? I know where we do that for. But
Alright.
you see well yo, I do her luck.
Oh.
You see you look a pussy while you could have there with me. I make girl make you gone youth. So how comes it be one motherfucking team youth? Yo, may I tell you?
Yeah, I did it, man, for real. Me never.
Yeah, we don't want you nothing. May I move come down here right now, may I go for the rest of kids them, so I go there for 2 weeks. That's okay.
Me I come down there.
We don't want you down here. Because you done abandoned already.
That's because of Rasta. Rasta.
You wipe up the good?
Yeah. Why make my face look so clean? How I go on?
Yeah, somebody says beer jealousy, don't answer. Me not go answer because nowadays we good. And the whole family look good together. You know say come like a some madness. You know say somebody put out season 2. You not believe me?
Yeah.
Somebody put out one video at the Ants family and say a season 2 this. There's like somebody I make this in a season. Like season 1, season 2. I'm a sitting and I look on you. I say, what is the somebody I make?
Yeah, realize so them do them thing they
you get me?
They know what they want to do. But I want family, I want love, I love. We are dealing with
series, now. Auntie. Oh, a series, yes, series. Guys, I'm going to Santa's nice side. I'm sorry she's so angry. I mean, I don't know why she's so angry. You know this man, I call the kids them, as I call them and tell them, say them I come up, then jump up and say, Mommy, when we are come? Tomorrow, I say, just give me some time. I go down and talk to Jabas, and by tomorrow, by a morning or so, they would them come up here. You understand?
Yeah.
I don't know if you could have meet you halfway like Spanish Town LD now.
Yeah?
No, I'm serious. Mother pay for anything me have to back up and pay for. And they meet you at Spanish Town, you carry them over.
Which part them live?
I say Ochi then there, but I don't want you to go where no Ochi.
Yeah,
Some of them
yeah,
make them
yeah.
come meet you at Spanish Town.
When did I do that? When you plan for do that?
Me I plan for a morning. Me really want to take them from Ochi. Me know them really not happy. Cause all I always pull down and them a make it wall and so. So me know say like
Oh,
them.
yeah, that and thing.
Yeah. So my son
Yeah,
say I
man.
come too. Cause me the thing say Alex Nena come. Alex say mummy me a come.
Oh,
You
them
get
want
me?
for...
Me
Me
know
know
they
them all
not.
miss. Me know them all miss. Me know them all gonna miss you.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
me really
man.
want the summer good for them LD, you know. Me I try work hard enough for me can do something for them.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. When I can meet me such, yeah.
You take them
And
up? Alright.
yeah, man.
Alright. So me done with talk to Jabas. It's just Jayden are the problem. Right. Jayden is nobody problem. Jayden is nobody problem. Jayden are nobody problem, brother. I just hate to the hate one Jayden for nothing at all. Jayden are nobody
Man.
problem. Low Jayden alone. That me I tell you. You know funny it is, Eldino? Alright, look on you. You're a stranger, right? And you treat me good, right? Right? And look now, you will have your own freaking picnic, your own blood, and your own family no want to treat you away. But that stranger can't come treat you good. You see
True
me?
that.
Bro, no love
That,
Jayden alone, and that me I tell you now. Guys, beg on
that's true.
sometimes.
I have love in and
Oh, Jayden
everybody have
alone.
love. So you see, everybody
I
will have
mean,
love and respect and understanding. Them people are gonna always lick it together in a one corner. You see me? You see
yes.
people them
Alright.
always have bad heart and them thing they always have a party together, and that's why you have this set, you have some set of people who get trouble, and one set of people always are the right. You have one set of people always bad mind, and one set of people always are motivate. You see me?
Yeah.
I just Father God, you know, God know way I do, you know.
You know, say, the Eldino, you know, say, alright, you see me see, Jayden with you up on yard, you know, right? And he just call me, you know, where you do on the house now? And I say, Jayden, I hear some reach. Man say, alright, turn around, make me see. And he go up on video call and he make me video everything. Then make sure say chat to your work man them. You see me? In Tony, like make me turn the camera upon the house. He say, alright, and make sure you go do that. Make sure you go. Which one of me pity them? I try to motivate me. Me now say Jagger not motivate me no, cause me say Jagger pushy now. You see me?
Yeah.
It come like say Jagger what here, Jagger Nena pay me no mind. No Jagger started to pushy now. I mean
Then me
I
and him talk, me give him, you not around for give them word of advice, you know. Me say,
you
bro,
see me?
like
Them
man
way
know your
there.
mother.
So me
Just
not
think
understand
about it.
all of this. It not needed. What everybody need to do is to come together.
Together.
Yes, of course, man. I mean not lie, brother. Just shoot me. I tell you no. It not needed. All right now, yo, me rate red dance right now.
How much and
You never did rate red dance, LD, you know. Ask them people like, oh, me cuss LD, you know. Me cuss red dance. Me cuss
Yeah,
red
man.
dance like a dog. Right now, me rate red dance. Nobody can tell me nothing bad about blurt not red dance.
Yeah, man.
Nobody
That's
can tell me nothing about red dance. So that me I tell you. Because me see you whole vibe with the man. You get me? I see say man have a good freaking heart and the man a hold on like a man a
Yeah,
hold
man.
on. You know some man a hold on and a techie and a techie and a techie and a techie.
man. My spirit just take you out and me know why I say anybody my spirit take. I know say that somebody there. I'm a very good person.
In spirit, good
And
guys.
that spirit just take me one time and say, yo, hey, that. You see, say when the man a go road, he not left me. Come in the front man artist, man. We are some man. I'm here in there talk and everybody can reason. You see, if I'm somebody can sit down and reason, bro. Me know say, yeah. You see me? For your spirit to take
I
a
want
person.
nobody can tell me to choose against nobody. Me can't make me choose. She talked to me already about it, guys. Me cannot choose. They want me pick a side. Me cannot do it.
What are we one?
Me can't choose, guys. Me not go choose. You see me? And it stay strong. Yeah, baby. I'm not going to choose. You understand me? Y'all want me choose she or Jayden or Jabas. Me not do that. I'm not going to do that. Focus. Alright, baby. Guys, everybody double tap chat. Guys, me I beg on sometime. Maybe me take a break.
Triple A coming up, guys. In the two rows, guys.
Me I say so. Me talk. Me jump in for talk, but me not for cuss nothing. You know, say LD, you know, she laugh about some things. It go away. Alright, it's like how me come online and people chat some bad things about me, LD, you know. More when me just laugh about it and take it on joke, you know.
Yeah, you know.
Because if you continue serious about it and cuss in a workout, sometimes people diss you, use back you see them this video them and make fun about it. You see a video them where people are this you up, use them back. You get what me try to say? But she know I go see Jay make one video with one jacket and one sound when me make. And that I beg sorry no. Say she see video like that, bro. Make one video no one bossa style and kin off your teeth. A jokey man and make everybody know say a jokey man and make.
True,
she
man.
take things to heart.
Me not feel like she need to understand life more, like understand people.
She need to understand the internet. If she depend on the internet and she can't manage the internet in come off. If you can't manage the internet, me not go cry baby, not today. If you cannot manage the internet in come off of the internet, this is the internet is a tough world. You tell me say they out the road there so. And you tell me say
TikTok observer page.
You tell me say not even people can't even video you. Now I want to look at video somebody a pass a problem that you understand what me I say? Where you depend on the internet for?
Yeah, true. Because I say realize enough people can't manage the internet. When them see so anything them getting at them feelings. No bro. You must somebody can see in the street and say boy. So come on, mother, you just open them and say, thank you man. Are you going your way? And everything.
Come on.
And everything, you see, when people say you follow it up because majority of the time you say we stay like that, then you see all things when it concern you, when you somebody attack, and you go feel like you want to follow it up. And then at the end of the day, you go look like a big fool. Whereas when it reveal and you say I never you, and you don't go do video and chat and cuss and do things. It will make you look shame, so people need to understand, bro, when they use this the platform.
Bro, me say, well, you know, say, I read and Sophia tell her bill. I read and Sophia tell her bill, you know, sometimes a man did enjoy himself, you know.
I feel like, it's a read and say around her, probably should have been more active with it, with what we talk about. Read and say, not youth around her, read and save her, the motivator, I rate him, no man.
Nobody no better than blood clot me. I want to know, my bro blood clot rough. And that me a blood clot tell you. Anytime pussy clot go my mouth to come, you take it on the turn and say the most hatefulest thing. But guess what? I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Yes, my blood clot pick me a jacket and the next blood clot pick me go shoot out of my whole soul. Or suck no matter. I want to know, man. You want like come up blood clot better than a pussy clot body. Me never did have no backbone to pick up me. In the first half, so you should even expect nobody to come pick up my blood clot pick me. I want to know, man, you see the one of them come around, you know. I mean, do blood clot people to use them. What me feel jealous of? With Jabba's bull. But they are telling me that this stinking blood clot, stretch out, gelding boy, can blood clot have so much. Yes, I know, are you? Remember, I know, him friend if you come around your blood clot picking it. When him done with your picking him, throw your pick to the side and move on to the next blood clot victim. I ever tell me, say, you like that, you rate, you like that, take care of you. Me never do you nothing yet. And I'm going to try to fix relationship between you. That's why certain things, if me I cost or anything, you know, why you get involved. Because you always make me look like the worstest thing on God earth. So you know what? Me stay far from you.
Pause that then. Oh, Amika did not talk on live today. Now Jayden.
Yeah.
Now Jayden and Mika both on live attack today.
Yeah.
And when we couldn't get to Jayden, to Mika boo, now Jayden get to Mika answer.
Yeah.
So what a girl you talk about? It's just confused. Go on again.
Yeah, I try to.
Pregnant. I call my tell me TT pregnant, you know. I mean, never know say who allow no rotted a plans kit. A plans kit. A plans kit to come on my yard, come rats clad play out. I want to come here for too. You feel like say you grab up your grandson with them a call blood clot jacket. You look on your grandson with them a call jacket. You look on him. Only thing you hold him for your little blood clot minute boom, so you're looking at him, yes, oh, him cute, put him back down, grandpa life, da 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 da. Me don't want nobody around me. I grow by myself. When me pregnant, me hear you say it yourself. But when me pregnant, me have to figure that shit out by my fucking self. So the man with the right on my foot, I will always respect him because him the oldest somebody scared by my foot when nobody did it for me. And I don't care who want to eat because a long time I don't eat. I don't go on over there so they mix up people them there. Go on over there so they mix up people them there. We don't like none of uno. Me forever, I will cuss the little dirty dog shit there when it comes to my picnic. I'm not trouble uno. Me not trouble uno. The reason why I say this so serious is a certain.
Yes, sir. But when me ask you still, what she mean by